Hi, Stefan here from Scribblar.com. I'm just going to show you how to set up the Intuos tablet. This is a Wacom input tablet device a lot of teachers use to write on the whiteboard in Scribblar. The one here is the one that I've actually currently got connected to my PC. And there are a few tweaks that you should carry out to get the best performance out of it when you use it with Scribblar. So the first thing you should do is go to your control panel and search for tablet, and then go into the settings for pen and touch. So not into the actual driver settings here and the tablet properties, but the pen and touch settings. This is a bunch of settings that Windows provides. And the first thing you should do is here on the press and hold settings. So select press and hold and then click settings. Make sure that this enable press and hold for right clicking is unchecked. So if it's unchecked, then OK that. The next thing to do is click on flicks and make sure that this option here to use flicks to perform common actions, that's unchecked as well. So you can OK that. Now that you've done that, you can close this dialog, or you can close the web page here. And now I'm going to switch back to my pen and just going to give it a try. So yeah, if we wanted to write on the board here, you see this works really well. So that works quite well, but you can probably see there's an annoying little circle that appears every time I hold and tab. So I want to get rid of that. And that is a little tricky to do on some Windows systems, but on a lot of Windows systems, for example, the higher editions, the sort of the premium and ultimate editions of Windows 7, you can turn this off via the services panel. So if you type services here into the search box and then select services, and then if you select one here and press T to jump to the tablet input section, so here the tablet PC input service, you can turn this off, maybe just temporarily while you're using Scribblar, but if you turn this off, that will basically disable the circle that you can sometimes see. So see, if I tap now, I haven't got the circle showing up anymore. So, and you can see the writing performance is pretty good now, so I can write very quickly without any lag really, and it works really well in Scribblar. So I hope you enjoy that. By the way, if the services panel isn't available to you, there is another option to get rid of that particular setting. And what you've got to do is, if you can't get to the services panel in your edition of Windows, then there is a Windows feature that you can uninstall, and it's called Tablet PC and Pen Components. And I will provide a link to an article that will explain that in a bit more detail. So if you have any questions, just get in touch, and I hope you enjoy using your tablet input device here with Scribblar. Thanks a lot.